Let's learn how to do a glute bridge. Lay on your back with knees bent and your hands by your side. Engage your core and press your lower back down so it connects with the ground. Your feet should be flat on the floor, placed about shoulder width apart with ankles stacked below the knees. A quick tip for finding a good foot placement is to crunch up, lifting the head and neck off the ground. The tips of your fingers should graze the back of your heels. This will be your starting position. From your starting position, exhale and press through the heels, lifting the hips up off the floor. Pause at the top for a second and really squeeze the glutes. Then inhale as you release and slowly lower back to the starting position, one vertebrae at a time until your back is flat on the floor again. To add resistance, you can place a dumbbell or barbell across the hips, or you can add a resistance band around the middle of the thighs and actively press the knees outward during the exercise for further thigh and abductor activation.